First of all, I express my profound sense of gratitude to the Honorable President of India for her address on the consciousness of government towards the aspirations of the people of the Northeast, showcasing the potential of the 8 states of Northeast to the entire nation. The first ever Astalakshmi Mahotsav was organized at Bharat Mandapam for comprehensive development of the Northeast. Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister of India, for his holistic approach to grant classical language status to the Assamese along with Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, and Bengali. The Honorable President comprehensively outlines the major policy achievement of the Modi government in her address in the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament, of which some of highlights I want to assert here. The guiding mantra of the Narendra Modi's government, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, envisages the spirit of inclusive development of the goal of creating Viksit Bharat. Sir, in the government sector, I have seen seamless policy to decision to deliberation has been the focus of Modi's government. So for repealing 1,500 obsolete laws, a Nyaya Samhita has been introduced in place of penal court to ensure that entire system can meet the needs of the modern Bharat. Providing 10 lakh permanent government jobs in the first 2 years, constitution of 8 pay commission, introduction of unified pension scheme, and abrogation of 370 articles are the sum of the major success in the Modi's government. In agriculture sector, sir, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, India is now largest producer of milk, pulses, and spices. Launching of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, increase in MSP for Kharif and Rabi crops, and approval of National Mission on Oilseeds are the government's commitment to achieve self-reliance in agriculture sector, sir. Education and sports sector, sir, the Modi government has left no stone unturned to develop in the education and sports sector also. Introduction of the PM Vidyalakshmi scheme to provide financial assistance to meritorious students of higher education. Internship opportunities in the top 500 companies. Establishment of National Research Foundation with an outlay of 50,000 crore. The Khelo India scheme, the Target Olympic Podium scheme, the National Sports University are contributing to create a world-class sports ecosystem. It shows the deep sense of Modi government towards the upliftment of education and sports of the nation. In the health sector, sir, under the Modi government, the maternal and infant mortality rates have improved. Cases of TB have reduced. Under Ayushman Bharat, health insurance cover of 5 lakh rupees annually to the students of age 70 and above is remarkable. Jan Aushadhi Kendras, Ayushman Arogya Mandir, established across the country, ensured better healthcare services to the citizens. Exempting custom duty on several cancer drugs, Modi government has done great honor and justice to the cancer patient. In industry and commerce sector, sir, the idea of Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Startup India, Stand Up India, and Digital India have created numerous employment opportunities for the youth. Increase of loan limit from 10 lakh to 20 lakhs under the Mudra scheme. Rupees 28,000 crores investment to establish 12 industrial nodes and build 100 industrial parks near cities across the country will create large number of employment opportunities apart from industrial development. Social justice and empowerment sector, sir. 25 crores people overcoming poverty during Modi government is a huge achievement of Bharat despite global concern such as the COVID-19 pandemic, its aftermath and war-related uncertainties. The Dharti Abba tribal village Utkarsh campaign with an outlay of 80,000 crores to uplift 5 crore people from tribal communities. Connecting over 10 crore women under the NRLM and more than 91 self-help groups are being empowered. Sir, about 1 crore Lakpati Didis are supporting their families as entrepreneurs. Those are the Modi's direct initiative to uplift the poor, women, tribal communities in the country. Sir, in infrastructure and transport section, government has increased numbers of airport and its operation over the first decade, plans to deploy 52,000 electric buses in the country. India become third largest in the world in metro network is showing that India is moving towards developed country. In the defense and home affairs sector, sir, under the Modi government, self-reliance in defense is being strengthened by establishing the defense industrial corridor and promoting defense startups. Roads and tunnel connecting border areas are enhancing defense capabilities. The number of districts affected by left-wing extremism has reduced from 126 to 38. Sir. Becoming self-reliance in defense sector is one of the most important for a country like Bharat to become a superpower in the world, and I believe it is possible under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In science and technology, sir, Honorable President has mentioned marvelous advancement in the space sector. Prime Minister's initiative to invest 10,000 crore under the Vigyan Dhara Yojana, the Bio E3 policy, the National Quantum Mission, and the National AI Mission elevated India's contribution in the field of science and technology. Sir. With the commitment of reform, perform, and transform, the government repeatedly advances at the extraordinary speed for the implementation of the major decisions and policies of the government, giving top priority to the poor, the middle class, the youth, women, and farmers. Placing 4 key principles: service, good governance, prosperity, and pride at the core of the governance, the Modi's government has achieved tremendous accomplishment in the last 10 years. Sir. Sir, the address to the Honorable President of India clearly defines the government's commitment, responsibility, and timely deliberation of the government service to the citizens of the country. I on behalf of my party, UPPL, and my party leader Pramod Boro, express my warm swagat, support, and dhanyavad on the address of the Honorable President as a testimony of advancing Bharat, and look forward for the Viksit nation under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद नारजारी जी.